Hello, today we will guide you through how to change price on Vinted. If you need to update the price of one of your listings, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the Vinted homepage all the way to saving your new price, so you can make changes confidently and keep your listing up to date. Start by opening Vinted in your web browser. Once the page is loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This is where you can access your personal account options, including your public profile and the items you currently have listed for sale. After the account menu opens, click on Profile. This will take you to your profile page where you can see the listings connected to your account. From here, locate the item you want to update and click on it to open the listing. Make sure you select the correct item, especially if you have several similar listings, so that you don't accidentally change the wrong price. When the item page opens, look for the Edit Listing option and click it. This opens the editable version of your listing, where you can make changes to details like the title, description, condition, and of course the price. Once you're in the editing screen, scroll down until you find the price field. Take your time here, because this is the section where the new amount will be entered. Click into the price box and type in your new price. Be sure to double check the amount before moving on. It's a good idea to make sure the number matches what you intend to charge, since even a small typo can make a big difference. After you've entered the new price, review the page briefly to confirm everything looks right. If you only want to change the price, you don't need to adjust anything else. When you're ready, click Save. This will apply the update to your listing and publish the new price on Vinted. And that's it. Your item should now display the updated price. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give the page a quick refresh or wait a moment for the update to process. Keeping your prices current can help your listing stay competitive and attract the right buyers. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide helped you change the price of your Vinted listing with ease.